If cosecant theta plus cot theta is equal to P, then prove that cos theta is equal to P square minus 1 divided by P square plus 1. Given cosecant theta plus cot theta is equal to P square minus 1 is equal to cosecant theta plus cot theta whole square minus 1 is equal to cosecant square theta plus cot square theta plus 2 cosecant theta into cot theta minus 1 is equal to, here cosecant square theta minus 1 is equal to cot square theta plus cot square theta plus 2 cosecant theta into cot theta is equal to cot square theta 2 cot square theta plus 2 cosecant theta into cot theta. 2 cot theta common, that is 2 cot theta into cot theta plus cosecant theta. P square plus 1 is equal to cosecant theta plus cot theta whole square plus 1 is equal to cosecant square theta plus cot square theta plus 2 cosecant theta into cot theta plus 1 is equal to 1 plus cot square theta is equal to cosecant square theta plus cosecant square theta plus 2 cosecant theta into cot theta is equal to cosecant square theta 2 cosecant square theta plus 2 cosecant theta into cot theta. 2 cosecant theta common, that is 2 cosecant theta into cosecant theta plus cot theta. Therefore, RHS is equal to P square minus 1 divided by P square plus 1 is equal to 2 cot theta into cot theta plus cosecant theta divided by 2 cosecant theta into cosecant theta plus cot theta. Cosecant theta plus cot theta, cosecant theta plus cot theta cancel. 2 gets cancelled is equal to cot theta is equal to cos theta by sin theta into 1 by cosecant theta, that is sin theta. Sin theta cancel is equal to cos theta is equal to LHS. So therefore LHS is equal to RHS.